sweetheart strawberries. Let's pack lunch for my picky eating first graders. Today you want cheeseburger again. Just cheese?
In the patty.
Okay, do you want fries with it? Or just the cheeseburger?
Just a cheeseburger.
Thank you.
No, do the same thing that you did yesterday.
Thank you. Okay, let's make a plain cheeseburger. Beef patties, burger buns, which we have this time, and some cheese. So what I do first is basically microwave my frozen patty, and then I put it in the air fryer for a few minutes. We're using this snack box from Melly. You want me to cut it for you? No, you want it whole? We're using this snack box for her burger. For fruits and snacks, we're doing strawberries, Ritz crackers, a Baby Bell cheese, peach applesauce, mini Pringle chips, and a drinkable yogurt. These look so good today, but I don't even eat strawberries. We're gonna cut these into some nice heart shapes. Cut the top off, cut like a tiny triangular piece from the top. You slice it down. Super cute. A leftover smoothie. She's also gonna have this leftover muffin that she started eating. Water. Cheeseburger, cheese crackers and chips, strawberries, berry smoothie, yogurt, peach applesauce, leftover muffin. Fork, wet ones. And that's everything I packed for my picky eating first grader based on what she asked for. Happy Friday!